guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today we are going to talk about a beautiful flowering tree or shrub called angel's trumpet or just trumpet plant. But before I get into the details, I must tell you that this is a poisonous plant. The leaves, the flowers, the stems, they are all poisonous. So if you have small kids at home, maybe you don't want to grow this in your backyard. But other than that, after working with the plant, just wash your hands with soap and water and you should be fine. So, you may say that if this is so poisonous, then why grow it? Well, just look at these flowers. They're so beautiful, so big, and they have this faint fragrance, especially in the evening, that, and when it grows taller, all these flowers are hanging down like this. They look so beautiful. It's like a showstopper of the garden. So that's why you grow it basically. And it comes in various colors: white, pink, orange, and mauve, etc. It's a subtropical shrub or tree, and it likes a lot of sun. It's also very easy to grow. It grows pretty fast. So there are multiple ways of growing it. You can grow it from seeds, you can grow it from cuttings, you can do air layering. So today we are going to talk about growing it from cuttings. So, I took a huge trunk trimming from the neighbor's tree, and I put it in water, and in 2 months, we had about 3-4 inches roots in there. And then we decided that okay, it's time to plant it. So we took a big pot because the tree or the shrub can grow really tall. We filled it with potting soil mix and a lot of compost, because trumpet tree requires a lot of water, that the soil should always stay moist, and it requires a lot of fertilizer, and the best fertilizer is compost. So we put a lot of compost in the soil and just put it we are just putting it in the planter and filling it up with the soil and the compost mix. So now we are going to water it. So the next thing is that we are adding mulch on the planter, because as I said before that this plant requires moist soil. So if we put the mulching on the top, then mulch on the top, then the soil stays moist, and also it creates a healthy environment for the microbes. So it helps in growing good root system. So we are just adding the mulch on the top. And now once this is done, we are going to put it in the shaded area, because the plant likes full sun, but right now, because we moved it from water to soil, so we are going to put it in the shaded area where it gets some indirect sunlight but no direct sunlight. And then I'll report back how it is doing in a few weeks. So it's been 5 weeks that we planted this trumpet flower plant, and as you can see that it's doing really, really great. It was a bare bone log, it had no leaves at all, and now you see that leaves are sprouting all over. It had a good root though. Our trumpet plant is growing really by leaps and bounds. All these new growths on the trunk, they are just growing very rapidly. Now we have kept it in full sun and it's thriving over there. Look how big the trumpet plant is in 2 months. It was just a big trunk with a few roots, and in 2 months it has grown all these leaves and new growth is appearing. So as you can see that in about 3 months, our trumpet plant grew from bare bone trunk to a fully grown plant. And I'm going to make another video when it starts to bloom and show you how it is doing. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.